day.
Happy Friday, everyone. For today's tech tip, we're going to do another Minecraft tip. This is a simple one out there, but we get questions all the time from students wondering how they can change their skin in Minecraft. So that's what we're going to look at today. So to change your skin in Minecraft, you're going to want to do two things. One, you're going to want to go to minecraft.net. You don't actually change your skin in the game. You're going to change it from your account at minecraft.net. So we're going to want to go to minecraft.net and we're going to want to sign in. So I'm going to do that first. I'm just going to quickly sign in here. So once you're logged into your Minecraft account on minecraft.net, we're going to want to go to this link on the left side that says skin. We get two options, Slim or Classic, for our character, and then we have the option to upload a skin. So we're at the right page here. Now we have to find a skin that we want to use. So I'm going to switch over to this other tab, and I've just done a Google search for free Minecraft skins. And the first hit is minecraftskins.com. Now this is a safe site. It's got tons and tons of free skins. We're going to go take a look. Here are loads and loads and loads of free skins. So I'm going to browse through a little bit and see if we can find one that we like. I am going to grab, let's see, what looks good. I'm just going to grab this one that says My Skin. Okay, so we click on that. It's got a preview of it with a background. And all we need to do is download it. There actually looks like there's a way to upload directly to minecraft.net from this page, but I'm going to show you the way to download and upload it just so you can understand that process. So we're going to click the download link, and we download, if you look down on the bottom, we have a file that's got the name, and then it ends with PNG. That's the file type we want. So we definitely want to grab the PNG. So now that we've downloaded that, we can switch back to the Minecraft.net tab where we're already logged in. And all we need to do is grab this skin, drop it here, and we're going to go ahead and upload it. And now my skin has been changed to this skin. So let's quickly log into Minecraft and start a game, and we can take a look at that skin in the game. So we're now logged into Minecraft, and we're going to check to see if our new skin worked properly. So first I'm going to jump over to my inventory and check my survival inventory page, and it looks like we're all set there. And also I can hit the F5 key on the keyboard and get another look at my skin. So there we go. Looks like my skin is updated, and that's really all there is to it. All you need to do is go to minecraftskins.com or another reliable site, find a skin that you like, download it, and then simply log into your account on minecraft.net and upload the skin. So that's all I've got for you today. As you can see, it's really easy to update your skin. If you find a really cool skin that you like for Minecraft, throw a link to the skin in the comments because I'd love to take a look at it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We release new tech tips every weekday at noon, as well as 2 live stream projects every weekday at 10 and 2. We've also got a bunch of great gaming content on our YouTube channel. So if you like gaming, definitely hit the subscribe button. In addition, check out thedaa.com for our full list of online classes, workshops, and private lessons. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create, throw it in the comments and I'll do my best. Thanks and have a great weekend.